Assalamualaikum students. Here we discuss some topics of English grammar which is giving in your syllabus. The book is the Grammar Tree Book 5 second edition. Now we discuss the first chapter which is about prefix and suffix. Now open to page number 16 which is about prefix and suffix. Learn we about what is prefix. A prefix is a Latin word. Pre means before and fix means to attach. A prefix is a letter or group of letters added to the beginning of a word to form new word. Then the new word is different from original word and in meaning also. प्रीफिक्स लातीनी ज़बान का लफ्ज़ है. प्री का मतलब पहले और फिक्स का मतलब जोड़ देना. प्रीफिक्स जो है वो लेटर्स का ग्रुप है जो किसी भी वर्ड से पहले लगाकर नया वर्ड बनाया जाता है और वो न्यू वर्ड जो है वो उसके ओरिजिनल वर्ड से डिफरेंट होता है मीनिंग्स में भी और फॉर्म में भी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, this is a prefix and like is a word. After adding the prefix, the new word is become dislike, which is different in meaning. The second example is im. The im is a prefix and possible is a word. Then the new word impossible in form, which is different in meaning from the original word. Here there are some examples are mentioned in this book. Now let's solve. Now look at the page number 17. Exercise A is A. Fill in the blanks with words formed by adding prefix to the word giving in bracket. Number 1. Susan dashed her suitcase and took out her clothes. Now see the word that is bracket. We attach the some prefix before the word to complete the blank. Suppose we add un, then the new word unpacked is formed. Here we put unpack in blank to complete the blank. Number 2. He was so weak that it was dash for him go to work. Now see the word that is in bracket. We attach the some prefix before the word to complete this blank. Suppose we add im, so then the new word impossible is formed. Here we put impossible in blank to complete the blank. Number 3. Some people think 13 is an dashed number. Now see the word that is in bracket. We attach the some prefix before this word to complete this blank. Suppose we added un, then the new word unlucky is formed. Here we put unlucky in blank to complete the blank. Now solve this exercise by yourself. On page number 18, here we learn about what is suffix. Suffix is a Latin word. Suff means immediately after and fix means to attach. A suffix is a letter or group of letters added to the end of a word to form a new word. Then the new word is different from the original word and in meaning also. Suffix जो है लातीनी ज़बान का वर्ड है. सुफ का मतलब बात एंड फिक्स का मतलब जोड़ देना. सुफिक्स जो है वो लेटर्स का ग्रुप है जो कि वर्ड के एंड में लगाकर न्यू वर्ड बनाते हैं और वो वर्ड जो है वो डिफरेंट होता है उसके ओरिजिनल वर्ड से फॉर्म में भी और मीनिंग में भी. For example, the word teacher is a word and after adding the suffix er, the new word is formed teacher, which is different in meaning and different in form. The another word is work and after added the suffix, the new word worker is formed. There are some examples I mentioned in this book. Now let's solve. Now look at the page number 19. Exercise B is giving. Fill in the blanks with words formed by adding suffix to the words giving in bracket. Number 1. Socrates was a famous philosopher and died. Now see the word that is added in the bracket. We attach the some suffix after the word to complete this blank. Suppose we add er, then the new word thinker is formed. Here we put thinker in blank, which is different in from its original word and in meaning. Also, second, the first burned the whole town down and made many people dash. Now see the word that is added in the bracket. We attach the some suffix after the word to complete this blank. Suppose we add less, then the new word harmless is formed. Here we put harmless in blank. Number 3. John can run dash than anybody in this school. Now see the word that is in bracket, which is added er, then the new word faster is formed. Now here we put the faster in blank. Now solve this exercise by yourself. I hope you will learn very well about prefix and the suffix. Now solve these all exercise by yourself. Thanks.